weeks ago, I was thinking about the greatest invention, and I realized the greatest invention in the world is toilet paper. Hi everyone, my name is Jin Lee, and I'm going to tell you the world's greatest invention, toilet paper. Leaves, too smelly. Papers, too wrong for my skin. I'm sure that 100 years ago, someone thought the same thing as me. First, I'm going to tell you about ancient people's toilet paper. Toilet paper wasn't always around, so people used grass, fur, mussel shells, corn cobs, and many other things. The Greek used stones and pieces of clay. The ancient Romans used sponges on the end of stick and kept them in the jar, filled with salty water. The Middle Eastern commonly used naphthalene, and Americans used corn cob and newspapers. Joseph C. Gary of New York started producing the first packaged toilet paper in US in 1857. Now I'm going to describe the features of toilet paper. Toilet paper products vary greatly in the distinguishing technical factors such as size, weight, roughness, softness, chemical residues, breakthrough resistance, and water absorption. A few interesting facts about toilet papers are that one tree makes 45 kilograms of toilet paper. About 4 million people don't use toilet paper. This is close to 70 to 75% of the world population. Most of them use the reluctant. In an average household, an average roll of toilet paper lasts approximately 5 days. Things you can make with toilet paper are speakers, owls, binoculars, and many other decorations. Some people make amazing things like Christmas ornaments or decoration to put on wall. There is so much good that has come from invention of toilet paper, which is why I believe toilet paper is the greatest invention of all time. Thank you for listening, everyone.